Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to enable clock mode on your iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down a bit and tap on general. So for me guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on software update. From here you have to make sure that if you are using iOS 17. Okay guys, so if you have updated your device to the iOS 7.1, what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, open the settings, scroll it down, look it for the standby mode. So you can see here guys, standby or night mode. Just simply have to turn this on. Let me tell you that when you turn this on guys, you have to connect the charger with your device. First you have to power off your device and then you have to connect the charger with it. Now as you can see guys, here's the standby. So you can see here guys, so you can use clock mode by connecting the charger with your iPhone. If you want to use the clock mode without charger, then now it's not possible for you. Maybe you can see the clock mode on other iOS beta, but in this one you cannot see. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.